Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I have a little bit of a different video than normal today. I don't do these very often, but have some jewelry to share with you just in time for Valentine's Day. I will share that with you here in a minute, but I also just wanted to give you a little bit of a life update around here. I know my upload schedule has been a little erratic and all over the place, but my oldest son is getting married in a little over a week, so it is crazy busy around here, coming off the heels of Christmas and New Year's. So bear with me for just a few weeks more as I get him prepared to move out of my home and into his new place with his future wife, and then get him married. So I will get back on a more regular schedule with a lot of thrifting, home decorating, Valentine's content coming up. I'm going to have probably some organization. His room will be empty. So I am going to do a complete redo and makeover on it. My plan is to turn it into a little studio slash editing slash home decor space just for me. I hope that takes the bitter sting out of him not living here anymore, but we'll see. If that all sounds like fun content and something you want to see, then be sure and hit that subscribe bar, turn on your notification bells. I will be back with all that content coming at you as soon as I can get life kind of settled down and back to a new normal. So I'm glad you're all here. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. I miss you when I don't see you in the comments. And we are growing so much. It is very humbling to me that y'all would want to come back video after video and see what I'm doing here in my home. I love sharing it with you. I have a passion for all things homemaking and decorating and just, life here, what I'm doing. I just share what I'm doing on a little day-to-day basis here. So I'm glad you're here for it. If you are new, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. Be sure and drop me a comment and introduce yourself. I love meeting you and I love talking to you down in the comments. I read every comment and I try to respond to every comment, even if it is just with that heart, so that you know that I've acknowledged that I've read it. It may take me a minute and it may be weeks down the road, but I work very hard on that. That's something that has always been important to me. So I appreciate y'all. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I am so excited to share this unboxing of my MSBlue jewelry, and I appreciate you for being here to support me. I know this is not my regular content, so it means a lot to me that you are still here watching. MSBlue reached out to me for this sponsored video, and after checking out their website, I decided that this would be something that was perfect for Valentine's Day gifts. MSBlue gifted me 3 jewelry items, and it was so hard to pick. So many beautiful options to choose from on their website and at very good pricing. I loved that they worked really hard to create pretty classic pieces that you could wear for any occasion. With Valentine's coming up, I wanted to share this because these are going to be great gift ideas. You can see how beautiful the packaging is. This blue color is just gorgeous. And it comes with everything you need to give your jewelry. So MSBlue uses Moissanite and lab-grown gemstones, which means that the water consumption is close to 0. These stones are created in a way that is more sustainable and more eco-friendly, and it's better in the long term for the environment, but it doesn't compromise on beauty and style. The sparkle is still there. These gemstones are just phenomenal. They are so pretty. I love the craftsmanship. You can see the detail that is put into each piece that they sent me. All of these reasons are why moissanite is becoming more and more popular. It is not only a brilliant stone, it's affordable, durable, and like I said, it's sustainable and is a beautiful alternative to real diamonds. Moissanite is less expensive per carat than many other gemstones. They are very durable, and so it is suitable to wear it every day. You don't have to limit these pieces to special occasions. For this sponsorship, MSBlue let me choose 3 high-quality pieces. These earrings are sterling silver with moissanite stones. They also are available in different precious metals and metal colors. You can choose those. They are round 3-row Pave hoop earrings with moissanite stones in them. They are not quite a hugger earring. They are not a big hoop either. So in my opinion, they are the perfect size. You could wear these every day. You could wear them for special occasions, dress up or dress down an outfit. Just a classic jewelry piece to have in your jewelry collection. One of the pieces I chose was this cushion cut split-shank moissanite halo engagement ring. It is sterling silver in 3-carat total weight stones. It comes in a variety of metal finishes. You can get 10-carat, 14-carat, 18-carat, or platinum. You can get white gold, yellow gold, or rose gold. So many options. You can request for them to send a ring sizer. I bought mine in a size 5. It fits perfectly on either one of my ring fingers, and it's so pretty, so sparkly, and would be a wonderful Valentine's Day gift, or just treat yourself because you're going to get high quality jewelry at a really good price. Just like diamonds, moissanite is graded for color, clarity, cut, polish, and symmetry. MSBlue's moissanite is considered a top gem quality as they are colorless, D, E, and F ratings. They have a high clarity from VS1 or better, and they have an excellent cut, polish, and symmetry. MSBlue offers an extensive amount of necklaces in moissanite and other precious gemstones. For the necklace, I chose a 1-carat halo emerald cut pendant. It is so elegant but dainty, and again, dress it up or dress it down. It is in sterling silver finish and just the perfect little necklace. I love the cut and the symmetry of it. I love that halo around the center stone. I can see myself wearing this for so many different occasions and getting a lot of wear out of it. Part of MSBlue's mission is to focus on water conservation and have goals that will accomplish that through reforestation, forest conservation, and water replenishment. And they like to work to help shift the industry of jewelry from harmful negative impacts on the environment to sustainable positive impacts, and they consider it an important responsibility for their brand. MSBlue has been kind enough to offer me a discount code so that you can get 15% off of your order. Use Lesa15, that's Lesa with an E. Enter that at checkout and you will get 15% off your order. I will have the MSBlue website linked down in my description box. I will also have quick links for you to the 3 items that I shared with you here today. I have had these pieces for almost 2 weeks now and have worn them. I'm just really impressed with these fine jewelry pieces. Thank you so much, MSBlue, for sponsoring this video and gifting me these beautiful jewelry items. It was a pleasure working with them. So I hope that you will take advantage of the website sales that they have going on, as well as that discount code Lesa15. I always let companies know ahead of time that I reserve the right to a true and honest opinion on the items they send. So everything that I am sharing with you here today is my true and honest opinion of it. I do not want to steer you guys wrong in anything that I share. So I only like to show you things that I would purchase with my own money. Even though these were gifted, I would definitely buy from MSBlue again. There are so many options and wonderful selections, so there is something for everyone. Again, thank you all so much for joining me for this video today. Like I said, it's a little out of my ordinary content, so I hope that you enjoyed it just as much, and I introduced you to a new shopping experience. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do that, and I will see you in that next video. Until then, have a wonderful and blessed day.